here at SEMA 2013, and any chance I get to find one of these cool street ride little pickup trucks like 70, 71 Chevy C-10, I always want to do it. And add to it, the Roadster Shop build it. It's going to be a cool vehicle, that's for sure. So anyways, let me get the camera turned around and take a look at it. Like I said, I'm a big fan of the Roadster Shop. They build some really cool stuff. Holcomb's done some work for them. And I like the emblems they have on it, and they do nice work. And they have that, they always have a cool look. Craftsman custom. They must have built this one with Craftsman or something. This is another one I got a feeling you're going to see a lot of video as far as television on. Oh, here we go. People walking by is one thing. Forklifts rolling through. That's a first. They use like bed liner back here, but it looks good. I mean, it just, no matter what they do, it just looks clean. You know? They build a Camaro I shot that's done real well on my channel. And I'm always pay attention to their Facebook page because, like I said, they post pictures on there. They're pretty regular about that. Oh, wow, cool. Tailgate says Craftsman in it. Man. So there you go, folks. A little C-10 street rod pickup truck, hot rod pickup truck from the Craftsman booth at SEMA 2013. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya.